Bloggers were made to dig up perfume. Meow Meow sent influencers boxes where perfumes with coconut and mango scent were hidden under a layer of ice cream. To get them, you need to dig up the dessert with a branded spoon. Who cares the ice cream isn't real? Because instead, Kinetic sand was there. On video, it wasn't distinguished, and that's the point. Savvy brands focus on two things. The first is a visually captivating unboxing. If before it was enough for a blogger to simply open a box and post it to stories, now with TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Reels, ProTube, it's more profitable for a brand to ensure content reaches the widest possible audience, even with minimal blogger effort. Everything that breaks through banner blindness, the scale, shape, color, works perfectly for the brand. But true mastery also conveys the product's idea. As Lancôme recently did, sending surgical boxes with lifting cream where, to get the product, you cut threads with decorative scissors, like surgical instruments. What a precise semantic link. Medical approach, laboratory conditions, threads associated with a facelift, a direct hit on new skincare trends. If you're interested in marketing, subscribe for more breakdowns like this.